Introducing the WARING commercial blade blenders. Powerful 1-horsepower motors blast through anything you put into them at up to 21,000 RPM. That's 180 miles per hour. Protected by a 2-year motor warranty, these are blenders you can count on. The aggressive design of the industrial stainless steel blade creates a superior vortex within the jar for unparalleled blend consistency. Jar options include stackable 48-ounce BPA-free copolyester and 48-ounce stainless steel. 3 control panel options, just the right fit for your business, all easy to operate. The BB300, classic toggle switch design, off, low, high. Run in continuous mode or press and hold to pulse at highest speed. The BB320, easy to clean electronic touchpad on-off power control, high and low speed settings, and precision pulse control. Press and hold to pulse at highest speed. To stop blending at any time, press the stop button. The BB340, electronic membrane keypad with a 99-second countdown timer. Press the plus or minus buttons to adjust time. The blender will stop when it reaches 0. Select high or low speed. Press and hold to pulse at highest speed. To stop blending at any time, press the stop button. All blade blenders feature the soft start function to more evenly blend ingredients. WARING 1-horsepower blade blenders make quick work of your specialty bar drinks and all the popular favorites. Blend 3 16-ounce margaritas in 12 seconds or less. Recommended for 25 to 49 drinks per day. Built-in thermal protection keeps motors from overheating during heavy, continuous operation. WARING's blade blenders. Power, performance, and phenomenal ease of use. Built to last. WARING, a blend above the rest.